Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I would like to talk about something that actually an IoT platform and DataCake often is referred to a dashboarding tool. And yes, we have dashboards, but we are moving a bit away from it and bringing tools that allows you to start away with your application right away without needing to create a dashboard. First of all, we are providing templates for devices, but then what you see here is our grid view and list view. And as you can see here, we are already providing some basic values like primary, secondary device, signal device, battery. This allows DataCake to automatically build dashboards or device views for you. In this case, we are working with a demonstration for a cold chain monitoring. You can say these are simulated fridges. I can go into one of those fridges virtually and see the actual values. And on my overview page, I can see the fridges in an overview and the most important values. But so let's go back to the topic where I said at the beginning that DataCake is not just a dashboarding tool. And what we are trying to do is making it more easy for you to set up your use cases. So in this fridge monitoring tool here, you probably want to know if one of those fridges, the temperature gets out of range. We have a new rule engine for this. And I have a test set up here, but I want to show you something. So we are going to add one single rule to control all of these fridges. We choose the product, which is the fridge. We could, for example, also group these fridges via tags, but we want the rule to be executed for all of them. We want to evaluate on a new measurement, so on a new temperature, and then add a condition. In here, we are selecting the field that we want to monitor, temperature. The time range could be an average, current, whatever. And if that is inside a range, less than or greater than. So I'm especially interested in my fridges not going above a specific temperature. And we are comparing this against a configuration field, which we can set individually on a device. This is the temperature warning field, add condition, and then we could go ahead, configure various kind of actions like email, SMS, webhook, or the only controllable lights. Let's go back in here, abort this rule because I have created this rule in advance to this video. And in here we have a webhook test rule. This is set up exactly the same like I was setting it up before. And this is comparing again the temperature field against a configuration field. And I'm sending an action to Discord, actually, one of our Discord servers, a private server, and I set up a channel where I am going to forward sensor events now. So once more, we just created one rule for all of these 12 fridges in the simulation. And even if we would add now hundreds of devices, the rule would work for all of them. Let's open one of those fridges, the first one. And here we can see the configuration. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the configuration fields. And the configuration fields work in a way that they are having a default value across the product for all of these devices in the product. And you can override the actual value. Let's say, for example, in this case, we want an alarm if the fridge goes above 3 degrees. Set it, and I'm now going to simulate it. Let's say the fridge goes to 5 degrees. And we can already see here, Discord was showing us fridge 01. Hi, this is your fridge speaking. I would like to inform you that my temperature is out of range, value 5.0. You can send now SMS, emails in the same way, but the coolest thing about sending it directly to Discord, Slack, or whatever is that you can now go ahead and say like, got it, thanks, and comment with your team on these events. And even if you add now more and more of these to the workspace, the rule automatically works at the same time. And what you could also do is that you can go into the rule actually and provide custom fields for the webhook. So in the future, instead of just focusing on creating dashboards, we will bring lots of new features that will make the immediate use of IoT use cases with DataCake possible, but we already focused on this, turning away from manually painful generated dashboards and doing things which help you to auto-generate views or directly see insights without the need of creating any dashboards at all. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.